All right, we want to turn things over to First Alert meteorologist Jeff Ray now. We have got some pretty severe weather to talk about for folks to the north of us.
There's going to be a severe weather outbreak across Oklahoma, parts of Kansas today. We just know it. As we talk about here in North Texas, we're alerting you to thunderstorms. Now today there's a small risk of some strong thunderstorms. The cap should hold. It should, but if it doesn't, storms could produce large hail and gusty winds, so that's always a concern that if the cap breaks, we get significant storms ahead of it. The dry line that's heading towards us. Now, the storm threat on Wednesday is mainly east of I-35, but yeah, there's storms right back in the forecast. We skip a day, we get to Wednesday. There's that huge outbreak expected up Oklahoma City. This is tornado risk today. And the hash marks say those black lines, that means the hatched area, that's EF2s, EF5s are expected long track tornadoes. And also notice that on this side of the Red River, the tornado risk is not zero. It's at about 5% chance there. But the core of the activity will be coming out of western Oklahoma across the afternoon and the early evening across Oklahoma City and Kansas. This is where the severe weather outbreak will be going on. Here, we're going to have some cloud cover. We're going to have a few passing showers. Temperatures are going to be muggy and in the low 80s. That 20–30% chance of rain would be really not severe weather threat for the most part. What we're watching is this area above this line here that I've drawn from Denton to McKinney. This is where we could have severe weather if the cap breaks, and that would be some thunderstorms producing the large hail and the damaging winds. And again, the tornado risk not zero with those. Let's talk about Wednesday, because Wednesday we're going to have a storm system literally move right over us. So pretty much we're not waiting for a cap to break on Wednesday. We're going to have a system that does that for us. So higher rain chances and thunderstorm chances on Wednesday night, and into Thursday, a little bit of a question mark here what might happen, but right now we have the front kind of holding over us as it stalls. So the rain chances on Thursday will continue. This wouldn't be severe weather, by the way, but the severe weather threat on Wednesday, that's a slight risk, and that's a moderate risk in our western edge. So we could have some significant thunderstorms again on Wednesday. We have had quite the spring, haven't we? About twice as much rain as we normally get. The wettest spring in about 20 years. This is the outlook next 7 days. Not as much rain has been showing up here in that 7-day outlook as we've been seeing for the last month. Here's that 7-day forecast. Notice the 90-degree day on Wednesday, and those chances of thunderstorms are sitting about 30% for Wednesday, Thursday night. We go into the weekend with mostly dry weather. Sunday, 30% chance of rain on Mother's Day.